and welcome. My name is Julie Traxler. I'm the Associate Dean of Academic Programs in the School of Environmental and Biological Sciences and a Health Professions Advisor. I work with students from day one at Rutgers through graduation to help prepare a competitive application for the medical or health professional school of their dreams. I'm happy to see that you're interested in the School of Environmental and Biological Sciences because our majors and our mission is focused on human health, environmental health, and intersections between the two. So the 21 majors that we offer particularly help prepare our students for medical school and other health professional schools and careers. Many of our students come in interested in the life sciences, so you may be interested in a major like biological sciences, microbiology, biochemistry, but you may find that you're also interested in something else that focuses on the body like nutritional sciences, exercise science, food science, even public health. Many of our majors require the core foundational courses that you'll need in the sciences for a health professional school. So you'll be taking your biology, chemistry, organic chemistry, and physics as part of that major to set that foundation that you need for strong performance in the health professional school of your plans. So students who come into Rutgers who are interested in the health professions generally work with those of us at the Health Professions Office. We work with students across New Brunswick to put together their application and be well prepared for allopathic and osteopathic medical schools, dental school, optometry, podiatry, chiropractic, physician assistant programs, and other allied health professions. I do encourage you to go to the hpo.rutgers.edu site to get a better sense of our comprehensive services and the ways that we help our students think about their future career and prepare from day one. So again, how do I think about that and how do I prepare well for that plan? Let's look at some statistics. The HPO site is going to be a great resource for a larger drill down into some of our stats. But in general, when you're looking at our applications and acceptance rates, the highest cell and the most competitive students are going to be students with the science GPA in the 3.5 to 4.0 and a strong MCAT or DAT. We have a 74% acceptance rate for students for medical programs and a 94% acceptance rate for students in dental programs. And again, I encourage you to go to the HPO site to drill down a bit into the average MCAT scores to get a sense of how our students are doing in terms of their preparation. But our students do go all over the country and the world to pursue their health professional dreams. Again, how do you do that starting from day one? You do think about the core competencies for medical professionals. Our majors help you connect with a strong science foundation so that you have that foundation to build on. But then our core as a school and other courses offered across New Brunswick are going to help you develop some of the other competencies. Things like critical thinking and scientific inquiry, written communication, ethics and ethical responsibilities. Beyond the classroom, you're going to be working in student groups and with other people to develop those core cultural competency and social skills that you'll need as a clinician. And will help you start to shape your education and frame out how you'll be sure that you're developing and creating and demonstrating these core competencies. One of the critical ways is through some of the student groups and extracurriculars on campus. In New Brunswick, we have over 750 clubs and organizations, some of them specific to our school, like the SEBS Medical Pre-Med and Pre-Dent Society, but others that our students participate in across the campus. So our students are part of the Alpha Epsilon Delta Honors Society, they're part of the American Medical Students Association, and they certainly participate in so many service projects and other extracurriculars outside the health field. All of those allow them to develop and demonstrate leadership skills, again, cultural competency, and so many of those competencies that the medical schools in particular are looking for. The other piece that I like to emphasize is that our students are required to do something that's experience-based as part of their education. That really is our way of helping them tie the classroom education with the outside world. For a lot of our students interested in health professions, that's going to be research. So they may be doing research credits required for their major or outside their major, maybe a practicum or an internship. It may be study abroad. So they'll be working with their advisors here to design an experience-based education that's really going to be critical to their thinking and, again, their planning for that health professions career ahead. I've highlighted here a few of our labs on campus because a lot of our students do engage in research across different departments, including Robert Wood Johnson Medical School, which shares our Piscataway campus. So you may find eventually that you're doing work in the athlete health and neuroscience lab, or the cardiac neuroscience lab, or the exercise and gastrointestinal health lab, just to name a few. So that's a quick overview of health professions options at the School of Environmental and Biological Sciences. I would be happy to talk with you more about it, answer your questions, or otherwise help you figure out what your best options are with us. I know you have a bright future, both at Rutgers and in the health professional career of your choice. Please feel free to email or check in, call, or check our website for more information. And I wish you all of the best of luck. Thank you.